All right, now let's see if we can record a while without having any big major screw ups. Basically, everything's been going and looking really good, but it's the computer keeps telling me something like there isn't enough space on the card when I know there is. It just there's a malfunction, and it's from the video bit rate being too high. What you guys are seeing right now is through a $20 capture card. A $20 capture card. Live through a $20 capture card. And how I get all these things to happen is in O.B.S. What you are seeing now. You understand what I'm saying? All right, now watch this. We'll put what's called a scroll on that picture right there. There you go. And, here we are. You know what I mean? One camera, I'm looking one way. On, hey, there's somebody down the road down there. You know what I'm saying? And this is about